Welcome back, everyone. Today we are actually making a Midwest Mixer original. This is called the Pink Meridian. To start off, we're going to use 0.25 ounces of simple syrup, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, half an ounce of egg white. I'm not cracking any eggs, people. I'm lazy. What?
I just realized there is a random soul baby shoe in the back. Oh, other way.
You see nothing. Half an ounce of raspberry puree or raspberry syrup, whichever you prefer. Then 1.5 ounces of Goji Liqueur. And lastly, 1 ounce of New World style gin.
How would you describe Goji?
Don't know how to describe Goji. Goji is Goji.
There you go. There you have it, people.
Take it to the bank.
Dry shake.
Oh, thank you. See, don't distract me,
Sorry.
cameraman. Okay, because of the egg white, we are going to do a dry shake or a mime shake first to emulsify the egg. Again, I recommend holding both the front and back shaker tins while you're doing that, unless you would like to wear your cocktail. All right, next we're going to add ice to our cocktail and shake for roughly about 10 more seconds just to chill the cocktail down and dilute it a little bit. Well, I saw something go flying, and I was like, what is that? Okay, so we've got my sour glass here. We are going to double strain.
It definitely changes over time.
Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. Let that kind of percolate for a second. Yes, I use the word percolate.
Is it
Word I was going for. Shoot. All right. And then I have been on the struggle bus with my lemon twists here. But we're going to see if I can make it happen today. I think it's my lemon. My lemon does not like me.
Too fresh.
Too fresh. Fresh out the tree.
We have a baby lemon tree.
We don't. But
Yeah, we do. No, we don't.
We don't have lemon trees. We are in Wisconsin, man. Okay. So I'm going to use my lemon twist as our garnish if I can get it to cooperate. Stay where you belong, sir. Okay. Ish. It's going in.
There we go.
There it is.
Lemon worm.
Lemon worm. All right. Well, it is what it is. I told you, they're not cooperating. It's a bad lemon. Bad lemon. All right. Here we have the Pink Meridian cocktail. All right. Of course, I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it. 1 being I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see what we're going to do today. I smell a lot of raspberry right out of the gate. That's a lot of pretty much all I smell. Ooh. Yep. It's really interesting. So I tasted the Goji Liqueur, and I do, like prior to this, obviously. I do taste a lot of the Goji right at the very forefront, but then the raspberry kind of follows it right behind. Then you get that nice, smooth, silky texture from the egg white just to smooth out the cocktail. lightly sweet. You still get the lemon, you get the tart of the lemon. It's a really fruit forward cocktail. And I mean, it's gorgeous. Look at the foam.
Layers. This is one of the coolest things about it. Layers.
Yeah, you get like 2 layers of foam with this guy, which is really cool. Okay, for my rating, honestly, I think I'm gonna, and it's not just because it's mine, I'm gonna have to give it a 5 out of 5. Just because it is very easy to drink. It's still sour, there's still some tartness to it, but it's very easy to drink. You really don't taste any liquor in it, which can be a problem, especially for me. But I gotta give it a 5 out of 5. I'm gonna hate myself in the morning, and I'm okay with it. All right. If you enjoy the cocktail, the ingredients are listed down below. That way you can make the cocktail right at home. I apologize. I know one of my awesome followers is having to go to the grocery store a lot to buy a lot of things to try out the cocktail. So I apologize in advance if you're making a lot of runs to the grocery store.
We got a new one, Goji Liqueur.
Yep, now you got to go get some Goji Liqueur. Sorry, dude. All right. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you made the cocktail, and if you did, what are your thoughts? And I'll see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.